Students, welcome. Now we are going to see the preparation properties of pyridine. Pyridine is a 6-membered heterocyclic. Its IUPAC name is acyne. Molecular formula C5H5N. There are lot of methods of prepared pyridine. In this video, I give only 4 important methods of preparation. First one is commercial preparation. When acetylene CH triple bond CH heated with the ammonia and formaldehyde dimethyl acetal, these 3 compounds when heated at 500 degrees Celsius in presence of alumina, we get pyridine. Second method is also the commercial preparation. When tetrahydropurfuryl alcohol is heated with the ammonia in presence of alumina, pyridine is obtained. Tetrahydropurfuryl alcohol. In our notes, here mistakenly 2 pi bonds indicated. So you correct it. If you put 2 pi bonds here, then the compound is furfuryl alcohol. If you remove 2 pi bonds here, then the compound is tetrahydropurfuryl alcohol. The third method is when acetylene is heated with the hydrogen cyanide over red hot tube, pyridine is obtained. The fourth method is when pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride. 5 methylene groups are there in this compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride is heated, we get first piperidine. Piperidine on dehydrogenation, when all the hydrogens are removed using palladium and carbon, piperidine is converted into pyridine. So these are the 4 preparation methods of pyridine. Let us see the important chemical properties of pyridine. Pyridine has basic in nature because pyridine reacts with the strong acid, it forms salt, pyridinium chloride. So any compound reacts with the acid, if it is formed salt, then it is called base. So our pyridine forms salt with the acids, pyridinium chloride. This pyridinium chloride mainly used in mouthwashes as antibacterial agents. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Pyrrole less basic because the lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen atom of pyrrole take part in delocalization. Therefore, the lone pair of electron is not available for protonation. But in case of pyridine, the lone pair of electron is static on nitrogen and available for protonation. Therefore, it easily accepts H plus from acid and form salt. Therefore, pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. The next chemical reaction is reduction. Pyridine on reduction with the hydrogen and nickel or sodium and ethanol, it reduced to piperidine. When pyridine on oxidized with the hydrogen peroxide or perbenzoic acid, this compound is perbenzoic acid. When pyridine oxidized with the hydrogen peroxide or perbenzoic acid, it is oxidized to pyridine N oxide. Electrophilic substitution reactions of pyridine mainly occurs at 3 position or beta position. In pyridine, the nitrogen is the first position, second position is carbon, third is C3 carbon, the second C2 position is called alpha position, and C3 position is called beta position. Electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in pyridine at C3 position because it is energetically more favored. Several electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in pyridine. First one is nitration. On nitration with the nitric acid and sulfuric acid at 300 degrees Celsius, 3-nitropyridine is obtained. On halogenation with the chlorine and aluminum chloride, 3-chloropyridine is obtained. In these two cases, the electrophile substituted at 3 position. But in case of bromination with the bromine at 300 degrees Celsius, 2 compounds are obtained. One is 3-bromopyridine and another one is 3,5-dibromopyridine. In bromination, there are 2 compounds are obtained. Please note that. On sulfonation with the oleum, the mixture of sulfuric acid and SO3 is called oleum. On sulfonation with the oleum at 350 degrees Celsius, we get pyridine 3-sulfonic acid. It is called pyridine 3-sulfonic acid. On Friedel-Crafts reaction, there is no substitution reaction takes place in pyridine. Pyrrole undergo substitution reaction, Friedel-Crafts substitution reaction, but pyridine not undergo substitution reaction. Pyridine on treatment with the aluminum chloride, it gives only addition compound. AlCl3 is the electron deficient compound. Pyridine has a lone pair of electron on nitrogen. Therefore, addition compound is obtained. There is no Friedel-Crafts substitution reaction takes place in pyridine. Apart from electrophilic substitution reaction, pyridine undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction in presence of strong nucleophiles. Nucleophilic substitution reaction occurs mainly at C2 and C4 position, mainly at C2 position. If C2 position is any other group is present in C2 position, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at C4 position. The main nucleophilic substitution reaction is Chichibabin reaction. When pyridine reacts with the sodamide in presence of liquid ammonia, we get 2-aminopyridine. Chichibabin reaction is nothing but the introduction of amino group on aromatic compounds. The next nucleophilic substitution reaction is reaction with the sodium hydroxide. When pyridine reacts with the sodium hydroxide at 300 degrees Celsius in presence of air, 2-hydroxypyridine is obtained, which is then converted into pyridone. Finally, pyridine reacts with the butyl lithium, we get butyl pyridine. So these are the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Pyridine mainly used as solvent and used as catalyst in many organic reactions. We already studied that in Navier-Stokes reaction, pyridine is used as a catalyst. And the derivative of pyridine, the main derivative sulfapyridine is used in the treatment of pneumonia and gonorrhea and other infectious diseases. And pyridine is used as a denaturation of ethanol, used as a denaturant for ethanol. And I already told that pyridinium chloride is mainly used in mouthwashes as antibacterial agents. Students, in the next video we are going to see the preparation properties of quinoline and isoquinoline. Wait, and thank you for watching the video.